Okay, so another StarLine S9 fitted. So we've got the tag with us here. So because we've got the tag, when we walk up to the vehicle, disarms. The alarm system will disarm if it can see the tag. We'll get inside the vehicle and we're going to start the car as normal. So the car now starts, and that's because we've got the driver ID tag with us. If we turn the vehicle off now, but we then forget to lock the vehicle, now gone. So the vehicle is left unlocked, but the driver ID tag is not in the vehicle, but the alarm isn't armed because we forgot to lock it. So what's going to happen is now, as we go to start the vehicle doesn't start now, it's immobilised. Although the alarm isn't going off, the vehicle is still immobilised because the tag is out of range. So by presenting the tag, will allow the vehicle then to start again. So it just has to see the tag or your registered mobile phone. If you've come back to the vehicle and your phone battery is dead and you've lost your tag, again, you're not going to be able to start the vehicle. So what are your options now? So one option, you can enter your emergency code using the Valley button here. Another option is enter the steering wheel or window PIN code. That will also allow you to start your vehicle. And then you can also text the alarm system the emergency code. So you text the alarm 30 and then the 4-digit emergency code. That will then allow the vehicle to start even though you've not entered the code here or got the tag with you. What we're going to do now is we're going to lock and arm the system and then get in the vehicle without the tag. What to do now is use the factory key to lock and arm the alarm system. So now the full alarm is set. So the full alarm and immobiliser is fully set. So we're going to get inside the vehicle now without the driver ID tag, so just the factory key. So this replicates someone stealing your key or using a relay machine to get inside the vehicle. Now what you'll notice is the way we set it up, the alarm hasn't gone straight off. What we do is we set a countdown timer. So although the alarm hasn't gone straight off, just because we've used the factory key, the alarm still doesn't allow the vehicle to start. So we can't start the vehicle. A few seconds, the alarm is going to count down and warn us that the alarm is going to go off. So this is our chance to text it, put our emergency code in, or enter our code on the steering wheel. The alarm is now beeping, flashing hazards. Siren's going to go off. And now the full alarm. So when the alarm is going off, it's calling the customer's mobile phone, alerting them that their alarm is actually going off and the vehicle is under attack. The same again, but this time we've got the tag with us. So we're going to unlock the vehicle, get inside the vehicle. But because we've got the tag this time, foot on the brake, hit the start button, and now the vehicle starts. And away we can go. It will give you the StarLine emergency owner's card, 2 driver ID tags, the owner's handbook or owner's manual, at least 1 spare battery for the tags.